Hello, hi, welcome to the Lipstick Chat. We are back with a quick update of Sibongile and the Dlaminis. Usibongile continues to be naive. It looks like this girl wants to steal her project, and this girl will steal the project and submit the project first, and it will look like Usibongile huye okhophe ugel. Usibongile wants also to force kwenza ukuthi ayenze izinto ngendlela yakhe when it comes to family, and ukwenza is like, no, I'm not going to entertain adult things for now. But I think ukuthi ukwenzo is low-key hurt by what unjengaye did or said to him, right? So ukuthi uzoyenzani ngalokho we are yet to see. Unomfundo-ke yena skepsela hayi uzibona kwakhe kumention ayenza into ayenzayo, agqine sekatshela ama-help ukuthi yena uzopheka entambama, ubanikeza a night off, what break it, this and that, break it, this and that. Wambuza-ke uPhetheni ukuthi ngeliphi. I think ukuthi unomfundo naye, she's jumping the gun. Yes, she is the new wife, but remember, this is also new uPhetheni, and she always portrays herself as a woman, like a girly girl, so she cannot be pushing things at this point. But ke ugirl nje hands on, huye nonjengaye bayathandana, lipinki uthando lwabo konke nje kubahambela kahle, while uPhetheni is depressed and uPhetheni does not want to divorce. At this point uPhetheni is holding to that marriage for dear life, and the marriage is not doing anything for her. And remember ukuthi they are married ngathi in committee of property, so it means ukuthi uzophuma na something mamele kuphunywe. But ke girl is staying. Hayi ke uVusi, hayi, they are playing on thin ice. Vusi nomuntu wakhe, not uVusi, Vusi's wife no Uqina, they are playing on thin ice. Uvusi is reassuring Uqina ukuthi ngiyakuthanda, wanting to show Uqina ukuthi I am there for you, because Uqina has been complaining ukuthi we are not married in committee of property, and therefore if we divorce I'm going to lose, and So Ukai is going all out to reassure lo ukuthi mamela, I'm here, you're not going to lose anything, this is what I'm going to give you. Kanti akazi ukuthi umfazi wenzani, uyaphinga eceleni. Emphingeni kwakhe sithi hayi indaba inkulu, indaba incane, indaba inkulu, indaba incane. Nope, indaba inkulu. Why indaba inkulu? Inkulu because baba Baqile, one of the helpers, and then she was like, no, this is not what you think it is. You are kissing another man, what could it be? Like, make it make sense. So injalo nje i-relationship lapho uVelephi sokumuntu olalayo emsebenzini makakhuzwa, because uVelephi does not want to be told, and uVelephi cannot take accountability. uVelephi waba umuntu othi I quit, you can keep your job. Hey, ngithi nkosi yami samangela ukuthi kwenzakalani, athi I quit, angifuni nokuba lana nani. Now the only question engizibuza ukuthi, because she should think for the child, she's only making matters worse. When they found out ukuthi she quit, how is everything going to land to the social workers? It means ukuthi eventually uSamke uzomwina lo mntwana, kuzoba wakhe umanqoba, and I wonder ukuthi izofila kanjani, or mhlawumbe bazonikeza i-full custody to uSipho. Like, we're yet to find out, but things are not looking well for uVelephi, and her behavior is making the situation 10 times worse. Ugo got drunk and went and slept on the streets, and guys came in a car. Asazi ukuthi will these guys be gentlemen and take uVelephi home, or will they do the unthinkable, what we are scared of experiencing, and that will drive uVelephi even more to the wedge, or what's going to happen? But where I'm seated, I am scared for uVelephi. Kuzoyenzakalani?